Morning.
My buntag. Matching shirts, huh?
Very clean.
Huh?
Clean.
Hard clay? Yeah. So, Ray, I think for financial reasons, we will do the cement tank and the top and put a toilet.
Here? Maybe here?
Yeah, well, in the corner, right?
Okay.
No?
Okay, because I will do the river is 15 by 15.
Uh-huh.
River.
Okay.
No problem.
And, yeah. Okay.
Septic tank and toilet here. Under is septic tank.
Yeah.
Top is toilet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I do the river like that.
Just
Facing.
straight down into the... Okay. Yeah, because that'll be the floor of the CR.
Yeah.
The floor, yeah. Okay. Well, it's not E-net today, huh? No E-net?
I'm ready to travel.
Yeah.
2.5 hectare.
2.5 hectares.
Yeah. Yeah.
One.
Because you have drill.
A road?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then you have a wheel, 2 wheels.
Yeah.
You have a road. You have a wheel, 2 wheels.
Oh, wells?
There are mini planting.
Oh, yeah? Mango?
Nice for do farm.
Nice land, huh? Okay. Should I change shirts, I guess? Huh? Hey, Greg. Jaja wanted to eat you the other day, and I said no. You were supposed to be eaten a couple days ago, and I said no. Because you're friends with Gray. I don't want Gray to be all alone, huh? Greg and Gray sitting in a tree. Just looking at the difference between the ADV and the PCX makes me laugh. So what's up, babe? Let's get our motorcycle. No more leg burns. That'll be nice. So if you want to buy a new Honda, come to Trinidad. The people are much nicer, and people are much nicer. They work with you, and they actually care about making something work. Whereas the one in Carmen could not possibly care less. So guys, which one would you pick? That one? Or that one? Oh god. So I don't know, but I think the chassis might be the same. It's obviously the same form, same drivetrain. The engine, gearbox, all that stuff is the same. Suspension is different. This has moped scooter style suspension, very basic, and the other one has more like motorcycle suspension. And from what I hear, this is actually quite good off-road. So that's perfect for island hopping. So what do you think, guys? This one? This one? Or this one? Gosh, just puts you to sleep looking at it, doesn't it? I feel sleepy already. Yeah. Ah, okay. I see. Is that for higher speed or lower speed?
High speed, sir.
High speed. I already commented on this poor little guy in the last video, but anyway. I think it deserves a little more attention because I just can't believe that Honda is still making motorcycles with 1930s technology, actually. I think drum brakes, I don't know when the first drum brakes are, but I think probably 30s or 40s. And this is a 2000 model, which is still sitting here. So that tells you something. People don't want 1930s technology when it comes to braking. The back is the same. So if you want to know prices, here's a Beat, which is a 50cc, 78K cash. Usually if you pay cash, that comes down, so I think that's probably going to be 74 or so, 74K cash. Yeah, another 50cc, 50th anniversary, Honda Philippines. So if I was going to buy a Beat, it would be that one right there. And then you have the Click, which is a 125cc. So here you're at 90K for 125cc, and there you're already 80K for 50cc. I'm not really sure who would choose that over this for that price difference, but I'm sure there's a reason. Maybe fuel economy, or who knows. And then here's a, what is this one? Oh, okay, special edition. Oh, it's a Click 150. Okay. Not 125, 150. And this one is, yeah, well, should be a 125. Yeah, 125, Click 150. So that's a special edition Click there for 129K. So the difference between that for 129, probably 125 cash, and this is 168 cash. So a difference of about 40K. And then this one here, a lot of people talk about the PCX as an option. And the styling is so boring though. Anyway, 140. So cash must be 137, 130, maybe 135. A difference of 30K. And then you got all these guys here. Well, there you have the Honda selection in Tubigon. Or no, Trinidad, sorry. 70K for that too. Why is it 70K? I'm just baffled by this one. It's 70K for a 50cc with mechanical brakes. Is that 50cc? I know it's a 110. Okay. So that's the same, probably the same engine as the Honda Scoopy actually. Oh yeah, that has the same yeah, that's the same drivetrain, same mechanicals as the Honda Scoopy. But anyhow, so 70K for that, 78 for that. Which one would you choose? And between you and I, we got our photos taken because they wanted 2x2 ID photos. And from last night when we took the pictures until now, they got lost. We won't say any names. Huh, babe? You want to talk about the ID pictures we took last night? Huh?
I swear it's in my bag. Maybe your baby took it.
I saw you put them in there too. I don't know.
I don't know where it went.
Why do you have to sign all that? Huh?
Is your partner?
Partner? Are we partners? Partners in misery? Partners in annoying the crap out of each other as much as possible?
Randall.
Randall? That's a good name. Randall, does Honda still make two-stroke? Two-stroke. Only four-stroke. Because sometimes I hear like this, bum, 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 like it sounds like two-stroke. No?
The transfer, they customize the muffler.
Customize the muffler, but no more two-stroke. So which of these bad boys do you think we're gonna drive out of here today? Is it that one? Is it the anniversary edition 125? Is it the anniversary edition 50cc? Is it the contraption with 1930s drum brakes? Or is it a dirt bike? Or is it the CB150? 182K. Not a bad looking bike at all. It's kind of like a crossover between a dirt bike and a street bike with that front styling. Or are we going to choose the PCX and save ourselves, what, 30K? Yeah, that's water cooled there. It's also water cooled. Air cooled. Oh, that's air cooled there. That's whoa. Oh no, this is air cooled. That's air cooled. This is the only water cooled one, I guess. Is this air or water? That's a good question. That's water. Water cooled. I'm gonna guess air cooled. Hey Randall, is this air cooled or water cooled?
Air cooled, sir.
Air cooled. So obviously the PCX is air cooled.
Water? Sorry, sir.
Huh?
It's water cooled, sir.
Oh really? Ah, Randall. No problem. Where's the radiator?
Radiator.
Ah, yeah, okay. Ah, yeah. Huh. Okay. Well, then that would mean the PCX is also water cooled. Yeah, you would think it's air. Normally, this is just a duct with a fan blowing past the cylinder head. But yeah, you can clearly see a radiator behind there. So Yeah, water cooled. Hello, kitty. How's your bubble tea? Ichiban?
It's good you stop the sugar.
See? Thank you. I know something, right?
What's the difference?
Uh-oh. Wait. First start. Oh, those light up. That's cool. Did you see that?
Can they fix the computer as well?
Fix it? What do you mean fix it?
This, what is it wrong?
It's all under warranty. Yeah, of course. Is it running?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Not anymore. It's broken already. Akai. It's probably the first time it's run since... Ask it when the last time it was that this was run. When?
2 weeks.
Hmm?
Last
Did they start the
December,
engine?
last December. I don't know.
Ask Randall. Randall, when was the last time this engine was run? Started?
This is the first time, sir.
Since Japan?
Yeah.
First time in the Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah? You don't have to start it to move them around?
We only push.
Push, okay. Is it possible to go down and see the other motorcycles downstairs? For video?
One. Which video, sir?
Yeah, the other stock downstairs?
No, sir. Only pwede.
Forbidden?
Okay, paano good? Dili pa mo yung mga punta na dito. Wala po yung stock na lagi over.
What is it?
They have another branch.
In Trinidad?
And they don't show the stuff there.
How many more? Oh, hazard lights. That's fancy. Just a little more fancy than the Scoopy, I would say. Yeah, the NMAX is a sort of a competitor to this. Actually, it's more of a competitor to the PCX. And it has the same tires, the NMAX. The styling of the NMAX, I would say, is better than the PCX. If I were to choose between those two, I would choose the NMAX over the PCX. But they have the same suspension, same tires. The NMAX, I think, is a 155. This is a 160. What else? But yeah, no comparison to the. I don't remember. I don't know who it was. Sorry, in advance. I don't remember which subscriber recommended the ADV to begin with, and I just kind of blew it off. And then we came and looked at one, and I was like, oh yeah, not a bad point. So whoever said that at the beginning, spot on. And then since we talked about the ADV, many other subscribers have said, I have one, I love it, I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's as close to riding as a motorcycle as you can get on a, I guess it's called a scooter. So, but the big sell point for us was the ABS front and back. I know the back is not as important as the front, obviously, but why not? Front and back ABS and traction control. Now, traction control is another thing that is useful in the Philippines. There's lots of mud and slippery things on the road. And I think 2 or 3 times in acceleration, we fell down because of either algae, not algae, but like moss, wet moss on the cement was one. Ah, yeah. Babe, tell that story. Remember in Bulacan? Can you tell the story about the... Remember when we drove the... Well, come over here. When we drove the...
No, we didn't fell. You fell.
You weren't on the bike?
No.
Oh, that's good. I thought you were.
No.
Okay.
Ah, yeah, I am.
I think you were.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we were... Tell the story. It was...
We have our bags of vegetables from the market in the back. And then we go down because we saw people were washing their motorcycles.
Yeah.
That's why we go down. And
Well, this started at the beginning. So it was the Honda... I mean, it was the Motorstar 125, which is like a Honda TMX. It's a Chinese license copy. We bought it brand new. It was still new at that point, right? I think?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we were driving through Bulacan and we saw a dam and then people washing motorcycles.
Yeah.
And then?
And then we go down because we want to wash the mud.
I don't know. I think we just wanted to see what was going on, no?
Okay.
Maybe? Check it out.
It's been a long time. It's like years.
Yeah.
Years and years. Decades.
Doesn't it seem like 20 years ago? Or 10 or, yeah. Seems like ancient history, right? It's amazing how much life you live in the Philippines. Like for us, one day life is like a month in another country or something.
Yeah.
It's really weird. It's like,
Well, it's because we're freely go outside. Because people who have thick snow, they
Yeah.
just stay at home.
that's true. And the taxes are so high that no one can afford to go outside. That's true. Anyway, so yeah, we go, it's like we
Then
live
we
a lot of
slide,
life
and
in
there are
less
lots of
time.
people there.
Yeah.
Everyone's staring at us.
Yeah. And then?
So, what?
Well, we tried to drive the motorcycle on the dam where everybody else was washing their bikes, right? And then what happened?
Oh my gosh, I remember we almost fell because the dam was like this. Bap, bap, bap,
Yeah.
bap. It's like, and then we almost, we're
Well,
very close.
the cement was so smooth and covered with a layer of silt, basically like clay. You could not have a more slippery surface in the world.
But the thing is,
We
we really almost fell on the water.
Off the dam?
Off the dam,
Yeah. Yeah, that was sketchy.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And then the next layer is a deep water. Because it's a cement like this, like a stair.
Yeah.
And then the last one we went to down, and then the last one is this water.
And then deep water, yeah. Yeah, that would have been nasty. I mean, we've been
Because
saved.
the
We've been
Lithium
saved
was
so
like
many
that.
times.
Yeah.
Really. We've been hit by jeepneys,
Yeah. And
floods.
tricycles.
Went through floods, tricycles. Yeah.
Our first accident is when we're in front of the mall while it's raining. There's a jeep here, and then we're going this way, but we couldn't see what's coming this way. So there's a tricycle there's a motorcycle with a sidecar box like this,
Mhm.
and then hit us, and we fell like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And it was deep water too, or was raining very hard? Or?
Raining.
Yeah, yeah. I remember lots of water. That's what I remember. Yeah. So. Traction control is extremely helpful in the Philippines, and ABS as well. Let's check. Is that running lights? Probably, I think. Those are just running lights. Okay, that's bright. Oh no. So that is headlights are always on, maybe? I know a lot of motorcycles headlights are always on. The older ones, no. And for some reason, people flash you here. ABS. Well, that doesn't look. Why is that ABS? ABS and traction control lights are on. Wow, cool tack. Nice. Yeah, just a second. So, wait, let's check those brakes. Oh, yeah. Okay. Visibility, that's another good one. So this motorcycle has lots of good features. Visibility, that's why we chose red, not because I like red. I really don't on a vehicle.
We're gonna discuss to you the
But it's so we're more visible. And we're gonna get red, probably red. Well, I'll get a red helmet. Jaja's gonna get a pink one, of course. But I'll get a red one just for visibility. That's the key now. The traction control and ABS lights are yellow. Is that good?
Yes, sir.
That's normal? Okay, so what's up?
Diesel. Okay, Tagalog na lang natin mo.
Yeah.
Una ma'am, first
First of all,
yung due date nyo ma'am is every 3 sa buwan ma'am. 4%. Kaya naging 31.
31 Pino.
What's 31K? Why? What happened to the 20? I thought it was 28 or something.
29.
So why 31 now? Is that normal to just change the contract in the middle of, well, not in the middle, even after it was signed?
Go. Absolutely. 1, 2, 3, go. Great job.